Want Fireflies AI to automatically join your Zoom meetings and generate transcripts. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Zoom account to Fireflies AI, enable meeting recording, and make sure everything is ready to go. So yeah, let's jump in. First, head over to Fireflies AI and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, create a free account using Google, Microsoft, or your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Next, click on your profile or settings, then open the Calendar and Conferencing section. This is where you'll manage your meeting integrations. Look for the Zoom option among the available conferencing services. Click Connect next to Zoom and sign in with your Zoom account when prompted. Then review the requested permissions and approve the connection. Once authorization is complete, your Zoom account will appear as connected inside Fireflies. After connecting Zoom, review your recording preferences. You can allow Fireflies to automatically join scheduled Zoom meetings and generate transcripts and AI meeting notes. If you prefer, you can also choose to invite the Fireflies meeting assistant manually whenever you need it. To make sure everything is working, start or join a Zoom meeting that's connected to your calendar. After the meeting ends, open Fireflies AI and check your meetings page. Your recording, transcript, AI summary, and action items should appear automatically once processing is complete. If it doesn't show up immediately, just give it a few more minutes to finish processing. And that's how you connect Zoom to Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully this guide made the setup quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.